In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the print-on-demand app on CommerceHQ and connect it to CustomCat, the print-on-demand company that prints, where you can print t-shirts, caps, mugs, hoodies, all kinds of products that you can install and sell on your CommerceHQ store, your drop shipping store. So the first thing you want to do is go over to CommerceHQ and go inside of your app store, which you'll find here. If you click on the menu up here, you can choose App Store, and you're going to scroll down in the third row. You're going to see Print on Demand. So if you haven't installed it, you'll see a green button here. You just click here to install free, then click on Configure, and then you're going to see this bar here. You click on that and you'll have the step 1, step 2, step 3 instructions. It's very simple. If you want, even when you sign in, you can watch this little video and it'll show you exactly how to do it. Here's a link you can click to sign up for an account if you don't already have one. So what we need is the CustomCat API. And I already have an account at CustomCat because I have it installed on other stores. So I'm going to click over here on the CustomCat app. And I am logged in here on my dashboard. And what I want to do is integrate CustomCat Print on Demand with my CommerceHQ store. So to do that, you click over here where it says My Stores. And when you log in, it may be different. And you're going to look for where it says Create API Order. Click on API Order. And then you're going to put in your store name. I'm just going to put in the store name. And then you want to put in the URL to your store with the HTTPS. You want to put that in there exact. So then click on the connect button, and it's going to ask you for all the information, your the support email for your store. And I'm going to put that in here. And I'm putting in, I create a Gmail account for each of my stores. And then I'm going to put in a separate one for them to contact me if they need to. Then they're going to ask how you're going to pay for your orders. You can choose PayPal, credit card, or Payoneer if you're using Payoneer. So I'm going to put in a credit card. And I'm going to put in the information here for my card. I'm going to have to blur this out after I put it in. I use one card for all of my inventory. That way it makes it easier for when I'm doing my taxes. Okay, putting in all the information. And then the shipping label information. So for the store name, I want them to put the store name in there. But I also like to put in there with the .com so they can find it. Choose your country. Let's see if I can do that. Yep, just type in the letters. If you want to go to United States, and it pops up. Choose your state. I'm in West Virginia. Save changes. That's funny, it says it's waiting on Facebook down here. Doesn't seem like it's doing anything. Let me click on Save Changes again. Okay, your changes have been saved and it's active. So I'm just going to double check all the information. Everything looks good. Looks like I need to save down here. Okay, so now once you have it installed, once you've created your account and you've put in all of your account information, you want to go here where it says API. Click on API, and they give you 2 API keys. You want the second one, the one that says read write over here. So you just copy this. You can click on this little green thing, and that'll copy it automatically. And then you want to go back to your store, and you're going to put that API key right there. So I'm going to do Command V. I'm on a Mac. You can do Control V, or just right click and paste if you're on a PC, Windows computer. And there you are, it's connected. So you can actually turn on automated order processing. So what happens there, any orders you get during the day, the orders will get processed automatically without you doing anything at 5 a.m. the next day. So that gives your customers time, if they want to contact you to update their shipping address or anything, you give them until 5 a.m. the next morning. Of course, that's Eastern Standard Time. So, same time for New York, the entire East Coast. And that's really good. So if you're like on vacation, you're away and you get orders, you don't have to worry about it. They're going to get processed automatically. So it's a really nice feature. I don't have automated order processing turned on. I have my virtual assistant goes in there and processes the orders each day. Make sure I like to give my customers 24 hours. So I don't want it processing at 5 a.m. But we could turn that on if we wanted to. Then you want to read the usage terms. You can double check the store name and everything, make sure it's correct. If you need to make any changes, you can update it right there. And that now you have a product, or you have it connected to CustomCat. Now we can add a product. So to add a product, you have a green button right up here. It says Add Product. And you can choose clothing or drinkware, and they just have them in these two categories right now. So I'm just going to choose clothing. And then ask you what kind of article of clothing do you want to add. Now I'm just going to do a ladies tee just to show you how this works. I'll choose the first one, click on continue, and then you choose the t-shirt that you want to install, when you want to put your design on. And I'm just going to go back up to the top and just pick that top one right there. And then you want to put in your pricing. So here is the price of the product for each C. Sometimes the sizes cost, larger sizes cost a little bit more. In this case, it's $1 more for the 2XL. All the others are the same. So your cost is $12.46, and that includes the actual printing of the design that you're going to put on your shirt. The next one is if you want to put printing on the back, you have to. They're going to charge you $5 more, so your cost would be $17.46, right? If you had a design on the back, then your shipping is $4.99 for the first item. So I'm just going to round that up to $5. So if you're just doing a front design and on the t-shirt, and they're only buying one product, your cost will be $17.46. So these shirts, I normally sell these on my store for $29.99. You could do more, you could do a little bit less, but that's usually what I sell mine for here. Mostly because, you can only sell the t-shirts for a certain amount. But I mean, if it's a very, original design that, becomes very trendy, even that you could add a little bit more, but still, t-shirts have a certain value, right, like they are. So you can't go up too high. So this would give us a profit margin of about $12 for each t-shirt, which is not bad. You can charge a little bit more for the, sweatshirts and things like that. But that's what your cost would be. If they buy more than one t-shirt from your store in the same order, you're not going to pay another $5 for shipping. You're only going to pay an additional $1.50. So that price difference of, $3.50 is now going to be profit for you. So you want to encourage them to buy more than one. That increases your profit margin and, of course, your profits. Then you choose the different colors that you want. Black is always, one of the most popular. But, if you want to have different colors, I wouldn't want to have too many. But you could add all of these colors if you want. So you choose the shirt, you put in your prices. If you don't want like X2XL, you could uncheck that box if you wanted to. We're just going to put them all on there. I'm going to click on continue. And this is where you're going to put your design. So you can create a design on your own. And I'll shoot another video on creating your own design. Or you can go, hire a graphic artist to design your artwork for you. But if you just want to put something like text or something, it's very simple. You could even use one of the free programs you have on your computer. So you would put that here. And then if you want to have a different, so say you have a dark shirt, and then maybe you have a white shirt, and your text on the dark shirt might be white, you could do another version with the text black to put on the white shirt. And that's what this other button is for. So it's really, really good. And then if you, like I said, if you want to do that, the design on the back, this is where you'd upload it here. Now to get the designs, the size, the artwork guidelines, you get that from the CustomCat website. So you need to, so that'll show you where the sizes, how large it needs to be. It needs to be very high resolution because it's going to be printing large, right, fit on a t-shirt. But that's basically how simple it is. You drag your image onto here, you click continue, and it's live on your store, and then you can start selling it. So that is the print on demand app inside of CommerceHQ. It connects with CustomCat, and you can sell all the CustomCat products on your store. And you can even set it up for automatic drop shipping. So if you have any questions on any of the other apps on the CommerceHQ store, or you want to know more about the products inside of CustomCat, be sure and check those out. I'll put some links down in the description, and leave me a comment down below if there's anything else you want me to cover. All right, I'll see you next time. This is William with the Dropshipping Report.